Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to show or hide slides in Google Slides. Open Google Slides file that you need. Select the slide that you need. Right-click on it and choose Skip Slide from the list. If it worked, you should see an icon of a crossed-out eye. Any slides with that icon on it won't be visible in the presentation. You can also skip a few slides at once. Select a few slides that you want to hide. Right-click on them. Choose Skip Slide from the list. You can also use a toolbar. Select the slide or slides that you need. Click on Slide at the top Tools panel. If you want to hide slides, choose Skip Slides from the list. If you want to unhide the slides, deselect Skip Slides option. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!